How to make a photo post on TikTok. You can make a photo post on TikTok in many ways. First of all, you can tap the plus icon, go to templates and choose a single photo template right here. So you can just choose any template of your choice, right? So here, if I want a single photo template, I can simply select a certain photo that only has one template and one photo, where I can select the photos that I want to. And once I've done that, I'll be able to just tap on the next option, and then I'll be able to create a photo post on TikTok, right? Now another way is I can just discard all of this template thing, and I can just come back to the post option. Then I can go to the photos that I want, and then here you can go ahead and simply select any of these photos, then just tap the next option right there. And here you can see a couple of photos that you've chosen, and you can add some music to it. You can add, let's say, a text, stickers, or even crop them, or whatever else you want. And this way you should be able to make a TikTok slideshow video. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.